Hey guys, today I'm vlogging. This is Elise. Have you been in Shania's videos before?
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably know these pals. Okay, so today we're going in the pool. Why am I talking like that? I'm a retard.
We stay late, wind on our skin, we won't come home. Radio on, rose colored light, pretending I'm famous. I keep driving to clear my head, I keep driving to find a getaway. I keep chasing a love, just ahead and close enough.
My face. I look dead, but you know, outfit gear.
Oh.
Be very quiet. We could let go tonight. Wings on our side. Come on, let's go. We could let go and drive and go for it.
Hey guys,
We're halfway
we
there.
made it to the top.
We're halfway there.
We made it to the top.
I just seem dying halfway.
Look, we're at the top,
Not
guys.
even halfway.
Look at this amazing view.
halfway. Not even
We
halfway.
can't go on. We
Kristen,
honestly
Come on.
think we're gonna die.
Wait, I just need a drink.
I think we're gonna die.
I need a drink.
She needs a drink.
This is.
I don't know. I just don't know if we can survive.
Hands reaching out, riding the breeze, chasing the skyline. Fast as the night, drifting away. They know what my name is. I keep driving to make a change. I keep driving.
Okay guys, so Amelia and I, like, we're so close to the top, but we're just like, nah, we've done it before, like, let's go.
No intention of doing it
No
again.
intention of doing it again. And everyone walking down the mountain was like,
Come on,
oh,
girls.
come on, do it. Like, it's not that far, like, just do it. And we're just like,
Like, there's a bunch of
Okay.
older men
There's,
climbing it.
yeah. And then one of the older men walking up, he's like,
I was
we're like, oh, we didn't make it to the top. And he's like, oh, why not? Do it, just do it. And then you can say you've done it. We're like, we've done it plenty of times. And then he's like, say?
He's like, oh yeah, that's all good then.
He's like, that's all good then, have fun going down. And we're like, thanks for that pep talk that we needed. We needed that kind of support, some realistic talk.
Yeah, because the pep talk we were getting from other people was like, come on girls, you got this. And we were like,
We're
what?
like, no. And
Not
then he just
today.
gave us the realistic talk that we needed. He
Yeah.
said, you've already done it, like, you don't have to do it again. Woo! And that's the view. There's the view right there. Bye!
And understand I keep.
Hey guys, I've just been in the pool and we're getting ready to go to Gardeners. Waterfall. Shani, you ready to go to Gardeners?
Sure.
Yeah? Hey, Lucy. 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 Hey, Toby. Hey, Bubby. Hey. Hey.
We closed it
I pat him with my foot. Hey, Toby. Hey. Look at this get up. It's my shirt. Such fashion. Lychees.
Look, how bad.
Yum. We're gonna eat some lychees. Guys, I'm feeling like a guy right now.
Yeah.
I'm just in the weirdest get up.
How much?
Only like a little bit. You saw how much you gave you, a bit more than that. Bit more.
Guys, we just all had a shot of that stuff. And it made me feel so weird. Apparently it's really good for you, so hopefully like makes us feel good.
That's an oldie.
Guys, look how little this banana is and that one. They're so cute. To the waterfalls. Hey, Tanae. Hey. Woo! I'm so bogan right now. That's a bit blurry. I just want to let you guys know, I just bought this book, Milk and Honey, and I am in love with it. I freaking love poetry. I've always loved poetry, and this is the perfect book if you love quotes or whatever. And it's just amazing. I love it. I need to find another book like this. If you know any books that are like this, then please comment, because I really want to read more books. Guys! Hello! We're out to get dinner. Thai food and... Okay, Shania. Just got lava cakes and I got the biggest lava cake ever, but you can't even see it. And it was like oozing. And now we're on our way to Macca's. Woo! Just after having... We had sushi just before as well.
You're so...
Guys, we have just eaten all our food. I forgot to film it, but we feel so sick. Like, we had lava cakes and sushi and burgers and fries, and we just feel dead. Shania, give us the look of death. And the reason why we actually went out to eat is because we're gonna watch the sunset. And we were meant to sit on the hill, but it just didn't happen because the sun had already set and it wasn't really
that's
that
good
good.
photo. I only
So-
got 700 and something.